To be honest, life abroad can look good in photos and all Instagram or Facebook, but honestly, it feels heavy, so heavy in real life. Yes, we earn. Yes, we send. Yes, we spend. Pero bakit parang nauubos? Naubos tayo, hindi yung pera. Kasi yung pera we can always earn when we are working, you know. So that's where I realized it became a cycle. I said, okay, I am now part of this community that are working, padala, resting, and ulit. So I became that. That was before when I was in the Philippines, that's their reality. Now I realize it's my reality. So I said, bakit parang paulit-ulit na lang ako? Bakit parang kahit may sweldo ako, parang bakit ubos every time? And sometimes it's not even enough kapag nagsabay-sabay yung project ng dalawang college na kapatid ko. Oh my gosh, I was like, okay. Then I started up, ay nag-start na yung na-drain ako sa trabaho, parang hindi na ako masaya. So that's what I call the paycheck trap. So you do everything for everyone, pero nakakalimutan mo sarili mo. I'm really on that stage right at this moment. So I'm struggling with my work, not because I cannot do it, but because of this, it's too much in my head. So I knew I needed a reset when pagod na pagod ako kahit kakasimula pa lang ng araw. Yung, hindi ko kilala yung sarili ko kahit tintignan ko siya sa salamin. Yung lahat inuuna ko, parang gusto ko silang mas secure lagi, yung ayaw ko silang nagmamadali, ayaw ko silang nade-deadline, yung mga kapatid ko, yung pamilya ko. Ako yung laging huli. So I was giving until nothing left to give to myself. And honestly, I almost accepted that this this was just how life is. For some time, I really accepted that, okay, this is life. So why would I complain? There's a lot of people doing the same thing. So who am I to complain this kind of life? Pero hindi pala. May ibang paraan, may ibang buhay.